Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I am filming after I think 10 days. I was out for my trip, which I'm going to talk about in the coming videos. But I wanted to share all the skincare products that I carried when I was traveling. And I'm very excited to share some of the tips and tricks that I did while I was traveling so that I don't break out. So, this is the bag right here. So I was carrying this bag where I had all my skincare essential. If I can show it to you, it's like all the skincare and body care that was there. So I'm very excited to share it with you. And also, we're going to do the skincare while I'm talking to you all, and I'm also going to show you all the products. Right. So the number one product was the face wash. Now I actually forgot the face wash that I had to carry. So I used a face wash, I think by Dot and Key, the watermelon variant, which I actually took it from my brother. I'm just gonna pop a picture right here. That face wash. The face wash was so damn good. I mean, we were in South. I was like proper in Tamil Nadu and it was so damn hot. I was actually expecting to it to be raining, but unfortunately, I mean, it was summer and it was so hot that probably we were just left to have like heat stroke. So I used that face wash and it instantly cooled my face. I am so in love with that face wash that I'm going to get my hands on it. I tried it, I used it like every day, and it felt so damn beautiful. It instantly made my skin calmer. It actually made my skin look a little glowy because, I think that you are out in the sun and how much ever sunscreen you put, there are going to be time that you are going to tan. I'm not sure if you can see, but I am like probably a shade darker than usual. So I tried that and I absolutely love it. And another product that I carried was this little thing right here, if you can see. Now this is by Chemist at Play. Now this is their 3% AHA plus PHA walnut rice milk, and this is the gentle exfoliating face scrub. Now I had ordered like bunch of stuff and I got this like a free mini, and I thought let's try it out. Maybe the brand have sent like a trial pack for their people to like, kind of use it. And this one is so good that I am gonna order the bigger variant of it. Usually I don't recommend like that walnut and sugar scrub on the face because I think that it is just for temporary glowness and to remove the tan, and eventually it just gets back to normal, and it also tends to dry your skin. So I was very skeptical, but when I use this like every alternate day. Okay, I can't use this every day because I think it's also written right here that it's not written how you should be using it, but I assume that this is like a face scrub and we should not be using it like every single day. So I was using it every alternate day and my skin felt so damn good, cleaner, smoother, and it also helped me with the tan because obviously it had 3% AHA. So again, this is something it looks like. I'll just put all the product links and the name in the description box below. So this is something that I absolutely love. So if you're looking for like gentle scrub or exfoliator, this is so damn good. And like I said, I usually don't recommend, but this the particles of this exfoliator is so good. It's so tiny that it's so damn small that you will not hurt your skin. It is going to be so gentle. So I like this. And the next product, okay, after the cleansing and everything was done, my love for this product. Now, this is the 6 peptide skin booster serum. Now, this is by the way by Cosrx. I've spoken so much about it and it's a huge bottle, okay? So I was very skeptical. Like, should I take it? Should I not take it? But I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna take it because I really don't want to come back with a crazy face and then I have to work towards it and and get back to normal, then it is going to again take me 4 to 8 weeks. So I thought, let's just carry this. So I carried this, and this was so good. I did not carry any toner because, like I said, this actually acts like a toner and a serum, and because it has all the good six peptides, it just works. It actually helps to even out your skin. It helps you with the bumpy skin. It actually helps to tone your skin, give you like a clear skin and all of those. So I had to carry it, and it was so good. So I've actually not done anything, like not skincare, just applied like a lip balm, and I have not applied anything. I thought, let's do it together. Now this is very, very liquidy, and that's the reason I say it also acts like a toner. I so love the texture of it, the feel of it. It sits so comfortably on the skin. Also, remember not to forget your neck, it's extremely crucial. And just pat it, do not rub it. It's so important. And just look how beautiful my skin looks now. Post this, I kept it very, very simple. I quickly switched to a moisturizer now. I have been using this, I don't know from when. I love the Dr. Sheth ka the kojic acid moisturizer, but that got over. So I carried the haldi and hyaluronic acid because I thought it's south and maybe it is going to rain or it is going to be super sunny. So I thought, in case it's sunny, this would also help. In case it's rainy also, this would help because it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's extremely light, and also it has haldi, so it is kind of protect my skin also from any change of water, the climatic condition, and everything that is there around. So I carried this. Now again, I'm just going to repeat it. This is by Dr. Sheth, and this is their haldi and hyaluronic acid sleeping mask, which by the way, I was using it in the morning and at night as my morning moisturizer and night cream. I think this is also over. I've got very, very little left. So let's get this out. This is something it looks like. Now, this has like very, very tiny turmeric granules in it, which is so, so tiny. You will not even feel it on the skin when you actually blend it. So I'm just going to apply it on my skin right now. It actually smells like haldi, to be very, very honest. Be super gentle when you're applying any product on your skin. Do not rub it, and never forget your neck. It's so, so crucial. And also, I love to pat it on my skin so that it just penetrates inside my skin and does the job. So I really love to pat my product on my skin with my fingers. Now let's move to another product, which is obviously sunscreen. I did not carry any serum. Like I said, I just carried the six peptide serum. Apart from that, I did not carry any vitamin C, nothing. I just wanted to keep it super simple, and I didn't want to do a lot of skincare when I was traveling because I did not know what would break out. I mean, which product might break for me. So I really did not want to do that. So I carried this sunscreen. Now, again, this is my personal favorite, super lightweight. Now, this is by B Body Wise, and this is their ultra light sunscreen with an SPF 50. It comes with an anti acne technology, which means that you can actually use even if you have acne on your skin. So basically, all you have to do is just take 2 or 3 fingers ka product and just blend it, and it is just gonna blend. See, it doesn't leave any white cast. It's just there on the skin. It makes your skin feel so much better. It sits so comfortably. It is non greasy. It is not sticky. And in a place like Chennai, you really have to put a lot of sunscreen because obviously you're gonna tan. So I made sure that I use a lot of it. Can you see that? And this is exactly what I did for 10 days. And I'm so happy because whenever I'm back from Chennai, I tend to tan like shit. But this time I'm so happy and proud for the kind of products I carried. It was extremely simple, the most effective ones. I'm very, very proud of it. And this was like, that's it. And I'm also going to share the lip balm that I was carrying. So I was like, you know what? In case it rains, I really don't want to do any makeup. Even if it is summer and I apply makeup, it is just going to just sweat it out. So I have to make sure that I look good in whatever skincare I'm using. And the thing was the lip balm. Now you know my love for this one. This is by Wishcare, and this is that ceramide lip balm, the tinted version. I have the watermelon variant. Now this has SPF 50 with a PA+++. So again, it protects your lips. It will not tan. Can you see my lips right now? we're gonna apply this. This is something that I've applied for straight 10 days. It gives you like nice, you know, pink into it, not too much, not too less, the correct portion, and your lips feels and looks super hydrated, moisturized, and also gives you that pop of color, which is so damn amazing, right? So yeah, that was about the skincare. I'm also going to share the other products that I have on the list, on my what? In my bag. So the another product I had was this one right here. Now this is the Vaseline Gluta Hya SPF 50 with a PA plus. This is a body sunscreen. Again, this is extremely lightweight. You would not even feel like you've worn a sunscreen on your body. So I applied it all over, and this was like my go-to. The next product I have is Ha, I've got like three more products. Now, this is another lip balm that I have. Now, this is by Juicy Chemistry, and this is your Blood Orange Rosehip Organic Lip Balm. Now, I carried this for night purpose because the Wishcare one has an SPF, so I don't think it would be feasible for me to apply a SPF lip balm with a tinted version when I'm sleeping at night. So, I used this one because it has vitamin C, which will make sure that my skin is getting repaired when I'm sleeping. So I absolutely love this one. This is like my third bottle jar. I really love this. Again, I'm just going to pop all the details in the description box below. So this is something that I love. Um, the next one I had was this. Now this is the Dot and Key. If you can see, this is the Dot and Key Strawberry Dew Melt in Flash Cleansing Balm. Now this smells divine. I've not even opened this, and this smells like your strawberry ice cream. Yeah, and basically I had taken this in case I, use makeup. I really wanted something that removes everything, and also because you're gonna sweat, or if it rains, any of those. I just wanted my skin to be super, super clean. So I used this one to remove all the makeup, all the skincare and everything at night. So that's something that I absolutely loved. The last product I have is this. So this is my favorite. Now this is by Indie Wild, okay, and this is their 1% Bakuchi oil tripeptide complex and choline. This is something, it looks like I've spoken a lot about this product. Now this is like a night serum, or um it works at night, helps you with your skin, with repairing your skin, for giving you that glowness with the skin barrier and everything. I love this product. It's like almost over because I've been so consistent. Can you see there's nothing that is coming? It's just 3-4 drops left. I have to get my hands on another one. You would also see this product in my favorite empties video. I so love this product. I've been using this like every single day. And by the way, Bakuji oil is a natural derivative of retinol, and I actually use this like every single day. And it did not break out. I mean, I did not break out. I did not feel any redness or irritation. It actually made my skin look and feel so much better. So yeah, that was actually about it. All of these products that I carried. So only thing is that when you're traveling, don't put everything inside, because sometimes it gets so much tedious to be there and just apply so many, serums, and to actually follow the process of a proper skincare routine. It does get difficult, and I'm saying this because of experience. So I carried the things like, having an AHA, so that it helps me with tanning, peptides, which will actually help me with elasticity and with glowness and skin evenness. Again, I use this Bakuchi oil, which has saffron and amla also in it, so that it again works on my skin. My skin looks supple, glowy, and everything. So yeah, that was all about it. I really hope this helped. I really wanted to share this so that, whenever you travel, the essential that you have to carry. Do not carry a lot of serum and apply, because, you should also understand where you're traveling to. In case you're traveling to a colder place, and you should know that your skin might feel a little more drier. So you have to carry something which is more moisturizing and hydrating, because you have to give a lot of water to your skin. And when you're traveling to, a place like Chennai, where it might be super, super hot and humid, and eventually everything is going to just melt down, you have to make sure that you apply more gel like consistency or water like consistency products, so that it doesn't break you out, and it just gets out of your skin and doesn't, clog your pores and all of those stuff. So yeah, that was a whole motive about this video. I really hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on my and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.